Welcome to the Tuesday press conference. We are here today with Coach BG and best player of the game, CJ Gonzaga. Coach BG, I'll start with you with how this conference has gone so far and the way your guys keep finding ways to create separation this game every time Blackwater tries to run. What have you seen in terms of response and urgency, especially from your bench in this make or break stretch?
Yeah, Coach Nand was saying even at the halftime, it's probably the first time we played with that sense of urgency. Now their best defense so far in terms of being locked in, right? I think we gave up about 80 points, which was good. You know, our last two games, you're playing quality teams, Tokentex Magnolia, could go either way. And, you know, we weren't that bad. It was just in that end that those games, they kind of got some separation on us, right? But proud of the way these guys did it today. You look at the rebounding. The last few games we lost, we didn't win the rebounds. This game, 62-42. We also shared the ball, 24 assists. We didn't shoot the three ball that good at the third quarter, but we kept on, right? So, good sign. You know, seems like we have two more games before the playoffs begin, and it's nice to see the guys play together.
Thank you, Coach. CJ, ito na nga yung sabi mo, gusto ni Coach Nand from you. You were active on both ends and found ways to influence the game throughout. There must have been something you locked in on before tip-off. Can you just walk us through what was working out for you out there?
I think yung problem ko kasi is more on, alam ko naman na kaya ko pero hindi ko magawa ng consistent. Pero yung mga coaches, itulungan nila ako palagi na kailangan maging two-way player ako. Sinasabi nila na okay na yung offense ako, pero yung defense ako lang yung kailangan dagdagan. So every time sa practice, kahit na magkamali ako, okay lang. Basta lagi ko na sinusubukan hanggang sa maging consistent ako. And hopefully, sa next game, mas maging consistent pa ako. Mas mabigay ko pa yung mga hinihingi ng coaches na role ko for this team.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends in the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, siyempre, ang usapan na last 2 days sa Hall League, what happened. Kumusta yung team after nangyari and also the suspension? How was the team?
Yeah, you know, Cliff's a warrior. First of all, he apologized. I think if you see the replay, binitawan niya at the last minute, right? But the thing, it's uncalled for what he did. He's got family. We're glad he's apologized. I think for us, we just realized na si Cliff kasi yung backbone namin sa depensa. And it's not gonna be one guy, it's several guys. Everybody chipped in today in terms of, makikita mo, you didn't have any heads down, you didn't see any quit. I think the psyche of the boys were much better in this game. Right? And you know, you look at Fairfield, you look at David, they shot at a high percentage, but all those shots were tough. Right? So, you know, moving forward, this is a game that we needed to get. It's gonna be like knockout games every time. You know, NLEX is next and then Ginebra. So we're locked in for those last two games. But this is something that we're very happy with. Nakita namin na, you know, we're one of the best defensive teams. We're one of the best rebounding teams. And I think tonight, you could see na binigyan namin ng focus yung dalawang yun.
Coach, the last time you went 3 and 5 in the Philippine Cup, you won the championship. So ano lang po yung reaction mo, Coach, na it's not lost 5 years, starting your strategies?
I wish it could be that easy na gano'n, but it's similar to that. I think the nice thing, Tama, yung good question. You know, sometimes when your backs are against the wall, it shows your character. Diba? We were 1-3 and 3 and 5. I think what's nice about this team, there's so many good people from our coaching staff. Our management came in and tried to talk to us, see what they could do. Our rookies are high character. You know, our leaders are high character. So, we don't want it to be 3-5. Hindi namin pinanan sa ganito. I think teams are really playing well. You know, may pagkukulang kami. But we're lucky now that we at least won this one in convincing fashion. You know, there was no real let-up. I think every quarter we won. The third quarter, 24-23 lang. But 1 out of 9 from 3, but they were good 3-point shots. So, ngayon it just gets harder. NLEX is playing well. You know, Ginebra also needs that win. We have a busy schedule ito, tapos yung Champions League. So, nabalita ko pa yung Champions League will be moving earlier by 3 days. So, that might be good and bad. Good because we'll have time to recover coming for the playoffs. But maybe a little bit not that good because now, konti yung preparation with the imports. So, but I'll take it. We're not really honestly looking at that with 3 and 5, but it's good to win one. It's good to win one.
Coach, si CJ ba naglalaro sa DCL kasama?
We'll decide on that, but I'm very impressed by CJ. He's always smile-mannered, he's always smiling. I think he's too nice. I know he's captain ball of UP. Every time we're in practice and you teach him, he's very sincere in looking us in the eye. Parang gusto niya matuto. I have no doubt he's gonna be a star in our league. He's had big games for us, but what I was so proud about, he's known for his scoring. If you look at the times na nasa loob siya, ang ganda ng depensa niya. He was guarding the bare field, he was moving his feet, he was challenging. He was getting sealed by the big, mga liliit na detalye where it's uncomfortable, ginagawa niya. And I see a lot of success in him moving forward, right? But he's a cornerstone of our future. He has a lot of responsibility in terms of evolving, being a two-way player. Nandun na yung opensa. Nung dinadasal ko na he keeps on improving sa depensa because that's what separates the really great players from the normal ones.
CJ, statement, game mo ba ito para masama ka sa BCL as part of yung nararating?
Ako every game kasi kailangan ko pang may patunayan palagi. Kasi syempre as a rookie, kailangan mong ipakita kung ano ba yung magiging role mo sa team. And happy ako na, nakikita nila ako ng potential. And hopefully, I'm gonna do my best para, mapunan kung ano man yung nakikita nila para sa akin.
Coach, against Philippines, sa mga rin siya, good rebounding in this conference. So, do you feel like with that matchup, napakit mo nga sa rebounds, do you feel like you turn the tide
So the advantage of NLEX, I noticed, we struggle when we play small, quick lineups. And you look at their lineups, they have a lot of 4s and 5s that can switch. Maliliit sila, but that small lineup is to their benefit. They spread the floor for Bolik, Coach Jong, and since getting shot, masipag si Son sa depensa. So they've really been one of the better teams to that. Moving their feet, staying in front, boxing out. It's gonna be a challenge for us because their confidence is really way up. For us, we need consistency now, right? Moving forward, we still have a chance, a small glimmer of chance. I don't know, I think it's twice to beat, but we're looking at just getting playoff ready, right? So I think that one win, if we do, that will be already, I think, inside sa playoffs. Right? So, we'll be ready. We have a hard time kasi big lineup kami. Pag big lineup sa matchup, kaya nila Brandon, nila Raymond, when it's a big team. But when you have quicker guys, and they spread the floor, that's where we struggle a bit.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations.
Salamat guys.